You're just like me. You want to make money, but you don't feel like learning anything new. All right, listen, here's the good news. I'm making $300 a day using a free AI tool, no skills needed. Stay with me. I'm about to show you exactly how. Look at these projects. You can easily make $5 to $50 for every thumbnail. No, I'm not telling you to go learn Photoshop. I'm about to show you something that lets you create any kind of thumbnail for free in under 30 seconds and sell them. Step 1, using the prompt. In the description of this video, you will find a complete, fully structured prompt that can generate high-quality thumbnails for any niche. And this is not a simple or basic thumbnail prompt. This is the kind of prompt that would normally take more than 12 hours to create manually if you were to design the thumbnail yourself. However, this prompt includes a few important points that you need to understand before using it. At the end of the prompt, you will notice 3 variables. These are the parts that must be customized based on the topic of your own video. After spending more than 3 hours refining and optimizing this prompt, I made sure that the final result can fully adapt to your subject and produce a thumbnail that is tailored to your exact video. The first variable you will see is the video title, or topic. This is where you specify what your video is about, whether it is related to football, cooking, technology, or anything else. The second variable is the color theme of your thumbnail. Here, you can choose any color palette you want to be used in your design. And finally, the third variable is the text you want to appear on the thumbnail itself. This should be the main message or headline that will be written on your thumbnail. Now that the structure of the prompt is clear, let's move on to how you can actually use it to generate your thumbnail. Step 2, creating the thumbnail. To create our thumbnail, we are going to use an AI tool called Grok. First, go to the official website and navigate to the Imagine section on the left side of the page. Once you are there, look at the bottom right corner and select Image and the 16:9 aspect ratio. After that, take the prompt you customize with your own variables and paste it exactly as it is. Then simply click the Generate button. And now just look at the results. In less than 30 seconds, you will have not only 1, but over 1,000 unique thumbnails, each perfectly tailored to your topic. You can download any version you like and use it instantly. How is it possible that you still haven't liked and subscribed? Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe. You don't want to miss what's coming next.